Hello everyone, it's Muhammad again and welcome back to another episode in making 2D game using Unreal Engine 4. So in this episode we are going to build our level, and we're not going to make a real level from the game because basically we are not going to copy the game. We are using the game because, as I mentioned before in the introduction, we are using this game because it's very complex and very good game and good example for good 2D game. But here, our level, we are going to construct just the level, have the basic things we need to make in the gameplay logic, because the main focus of this series is how to use the 2D animations and how to make some logic, gameplay logic for a 2D game, and how to make something pretty advanced and complex like rewinding feature, excuse me. So we are not going to focus in level design, so the level we are going to build is just serve our needs. And what we need here, we need a level to use some mechanics. So anyway, I decided to make this video a little bit different. So in this video I just recorded while working and then I did a voiceover, because basically, as you will see, most of the things I did in this video just the same thing. I keep doing the same thing and keep doing and doing and doing again and again and again. So to save my time and your time and be able to record more fast, I just recorded the video and then I put my voice over in the video here. So as you can see, I start putting the sprites, nothing fancy, and you'll see you might find here some new sprites. It's not I didn't did this sprites in the previous video because I cannot do everything. So while working I found I need another few sprites, so I keep searching and find new sprites or atlases and then add inside the project and so on. So here I'll start just spreading these sprites and building a level that I draw in a paper here. So I just started thinking what we need. We need just the character walking and jumping and he climbing, and we need to put some enemies, we need to put this cannon, and we need to put some fire, and think that's pretty much everything. We need to put a door with a lock and key. So I keep putting these sprites, nothing fancy. I just drag and drop sprites, and then I keep duplicating using Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or Command C and Command V, and moving stuff. Sometimes I shift stuff in a different axis, so I put some dips, because as you can see, if two sprites overlapping, it's not looking so well. So I just drag and drop and duplicating and nothing fancy. And then I found that there is some sprites I need. I then start to make the sprites like the spikes and the door and the cannon. And if we came here to the castle, you can see in the castle area I found lots of sprites, but I don't know how is the castle basically constructed. So I did Google for the game castle, and then I start to construct the castle to match the one in the game. It's not a must to have it the same as the one in the game 100%, but just to have the same idea of having a castle, and he can maybe get inside the castle, I don't know. And then I selected everything and put everything inside one group, so I make my scene view or scene outliner more organized. And then I start to build my collisions. And back in the day when I was making just indie games, I used to make the collisions with a different way. But when I start working with companies and look how the level designers work, they make everything inside its own group. So there is a group for meshes and collisions in a different group. So they said it's more easy for testing purpose or for changing purposes. Anyway, so I make the same approach here. I will make all the collisions at once, and then I will start putting everything inside one group. So to make my collisions, I'll just drag and drop one box, and then I will change its type to, or I will convert it to blocking thing. So yeah, as you can see, so it's now like it's hidden or invisible wall or something, so you cannot see it, will not be rendered, but it's still there and it can block everything. So yeah, I'll keep scaling up and scaling down and duplicating, throwing around the level to make the way to the player. And yeah, and as you can see, I keep duplicating, I keep putting, and the most easy thing to work with a platformer game is just you need to look from the side viewport, side or front, whatever, it depends on your camera. So anyway, it's very straightforward. I keep duplicating, everything is the same, and yeah, I just have to remember to put a very big collider to prevent the player from passing from the left side or from the right side, from the start of the level and the end of the level. So yeah, I think this is pretty much everything for this episode. It was a quick episode, but yeah, trust me, the whole recorded video was more than an hour and a half, but I squeezed everything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, learned something new, and yeah, have fun and enjoy, and looking forward to see you in the next episode. See you, bye!